Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the meaning question of exercise 2.5 of chapter polynomials. In this, the question number 10, part 1 is factorize 27 y cube plus 125 z cube. We write this as 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube. Here we use the identity a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Here a is 3y, b is 5z. This is 3y plus 5z. Square of 3y is 9y square. AB is 15yz. B square is 25z square. These are the factors of this polynomial. In second part, 64m cube, 343n cube. We write it as 4m cube and this is 7n cube. Here we use the identity a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Here a is 4m and b is 7m. A is 4m minus 7m. A square is 16m square. AB is 24mn. And b square is 49n square. These are the factors of this polynomial. In question number 11, factorize 2x27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. We write it as 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z. Here we use the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, which is equals to a plus b plus c, a square b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus CA. So this is 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3a b c equals to a is 3x, b is y, c is z. 3x square is 9x square plus y square plus z square minus ab is 3xy, BC is yz and CA is 3xz. These are the factors of this polynomial. In question number 12, verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube 3xyz equals to 1.2 x plus y plus z, x means y square, y means z square plus z means x whole square. So for proving this question, first we take the left hand side of right hand side of this question. The right hand side of this question is right hand side is 1.2 x plus y plus z. X means y whole square, y means z whole square plus z means x whole square. So in this, first we open these identities. This is x square plus y square means 2xy. This is y square, z square 2yz, this is z square, x square means 2zx. So this is 1.2 x plus y plus z. This is 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square means 2xy means 2yz 2zx. When we take 2 common, x plus y plus z, take 2 common, this is x square, y square, z square, xy, yz, zx. So this is cancel out. When we multiply this by first x cube, xy square, xz square, means x square y, means xyz, x square z. When we multiply this by y square, y cube, yz square, xy square. When we multiply this by z, x square z, zy square, z cube, xyz, yz square, z square x. So in this is x cube, this is x y square. This cancel out. X z square is this cancel out. This is x square y. This is x square y. This cancel out. X square z. This cancel out. Y z square. This cancel. So this is x cube plus y cube plus z cube. xyz. This is 1xyz. 2xyz. Here 1xyz is missing. So when we multiply this is x cube, xy square, xz square, x square y. This is xz square. So when we multiply this x cube, this is xy square, xz square, x square y. This is xyz. This is x square z. Here y x square, y cube, yz square, and this is xy square. So this is x yz square. This is xyz. So this term is xyz. So this equation is when we multiply this is negative sign xyz. This is means 3xyz. This is the left hand side. This is the answer of this question. This is xyz, means 3xy, x cube. This is y cube, z. This is the answer of this question. In next question, in question number 13, the statement is if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, prove that x cube, y cube, z cube equals to 3xyz. So in this question, x plus y plus z equal to 0. Here this is xyz. X plus y equals to means z. So cubing both sides. When we cube of this equation, here this is 3. When we cube, this is a cube, b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. This is means z cube. Here this is x cube, y cube. We put the value of x plus y, which is means z cube. Take this z cube on the left hand side. So z cube, and this is on right hand side, xy. This is the proof of this question. In question number 14, the statement is evaluate means 12 cube by without actual calculations. So here we take first a is means 12, b is 7, c is 5. When we add these threes, a plus b plus c, means 12 plus 7 plus 5, so it's 0. As we know, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. So mains 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 whole cube equals to 3. A is mains 12, b is 7, c is 5. 3 7 mains 21, 12 5 is 60. So this is mains 1260 is the answer of this question. In second part, the statement is, in question number second, the statement is 28 whole cube mains 15 whole cube mains 13 whole cube. Here we take a is equal to 20, b is equal to mains 15, c is equal to mains 13. When we add a plus b plus c is 28 mains 15 mains 13. So it's equals to 0. And a cube plus b, if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. So a is 28 whole cube, b is 15 whole cube, c is 13 whole cube. This is equal to 3 into 28 into 15 into 13. This is 13. 3 mains 15 mains 13. Multiply all these, you will get the answer of this question. Thank you.